Hi guys, and welcome to today's live intraday trade analysis video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking about today's trade, what I have done for the day. And this was a trade, what I have traded according to my study and the strategy without any indicator in a simple way. Okay. So today the stock what I observed is Havels. Okay. So let's talk about its entry point and exit point and everything. And also I'll be showing you the live clip as well. Okay, so today we have traded on Avels and it was a short sell in the morning around 9:30 a.m. at 1835. Okay, so as you guys can see here, once I short sold at 1835, the stock has performed well towards the selling side today, and the maximum low what it has made for the day is almost 1812 at the closing time. Okay, so this is the end of a day chart, and as you guys can see, according to my study and the analysis, the stock has performed in one direction for the whole day. Okay, but anyway, by following my study and the strategy and my trading discipline, I have kept my target up to 10 points, and that 10 points target was achieved within 20 minutes of the trade after I have entered. Okay, so this was the trade what I have done today on Havels. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit like this in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, and if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. And also, you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of live trade analysis videos and also educational videos what I've uploaded from almost 5 to 7 years plus on my channel. Okay, so if you join us, I'll be guiding you all these things about selecting a right stock and making a right entry, where to take an exit, and all these things I'll be guiding you. Okay, so it's all about following your strategy and your discipline. So if you're able to follow the process, then you can make a consistent profitable trades in trading. Okay, so this is the trade what I've done today on Avels, and you can see how the stock has performed for the day. So it has given a target within few minutes of the day for the day, and yes, I just stick to my discipline. I don't take over trades. Okay, so I kept my target up to 10 points and it was achieved. Okay, so this was a trade what I've done for the day, and now let's look at Nifty 50, how it has performed for the day. So guys, this is Nifty 50 chart, and today you can see how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day. It has been a bit of a sideways also. You can see at the opening it just came down a little bit, and again it started raising, and again it made almost like 25,000 as its resistance level, and yes, that's a new high. And from there the stock has come down and touched one of our support level which I had marked on earlier around 24840. So this level was a bit of a important for the day. It didn't break down below this level. The Nifty 50 sustained above this 24840 level. You can see how the green candle started coming once this levels has been hit, and from here the market has gone up almost. Again it was trying to touch 25,000 here, but it couldn't. It has touched 24,972 again in the closing time of the market today, and again from there it has retraced back, and again it has touched 24840. So 24840 will be an important level. So if the market opens above on this level, then we can expect the market to go up, or if it opens below 24840, again it will touch some of the support level which is below 24800 is what I believe. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform tomorrow. But anyway, this was how the market has performed for the day. So today the market opened at a bit of a flattish way at 0.01%. This is how the pre-open market opened for the day. Advanced stocks were 22, declines were 14, and unchanged were 14. Okay. After market opening, it was bit sideways for the day, giving both the side of momentum, that is for bullish side also and bearish side also. But even though if the market has performed in this kind of a sideways or in the both the ways, you can see how our stock has performed in one single side for the day. So it's all about stock selection for intraday trading. Okay, so if you pick a right stock and if you're in a right direction, then you can make a good trades. And it doesn't mean that the stock should move for the whole day in same direction. Okay, of course, market is volatile, the stocks are volatile, it can change its direction in any time of the day. But if you get the direction and if you're able to predict the direction until you get your target of 0.5% or 1%, that is maximum enough for you to be a good consistent trader. Okay, so to learn all these things in detail and in depth, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you in a very simple and easy and accurate way to make you as a good trader. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.